Good morning, we are just heading towards Bern today. Just coming into Bern. Just looking for our little campsite. I just thought I'd film a little bit on the way. It's not an awful lot to see and it's been raining all morning.
It has been lovely, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been lovely in the driving seat as always.
The ride's been good.
Yeah.
We got our vignette.
We got our vignette to say that we can drive on the motorway in Switzerland. Costs €40, which lasts 12 months, but it is January to December, so we're only going to get 3 months used if we wanted to come back. But if you don't have it and you get caught, it's a €200 fine, plus you have to still buy your vignette. So we've erred on the side of caution.
I'm sure there'll be people out there that wouldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you can take your chance. It's not as if you get caught by cameras for not having one. It's more if you get stopped for anything, we think.
Is it cameras? Or
I don't know.
Buzzers?
If it was cameras, they'd have to pick up on that itself, wouldn't they? Because they can't pick up on the registration number. Don't tell them. Anyway, this is
campsite.
This is us just having a bit of a conflab about where we're going. You can see there's trams here, so we've got to keep a look out for those as well.
Eagle.
Oh yeah! Workman had eagle on the back of his jacket.
He did look like an eagle.
That's the way to do it.
Oh, they've had to have bloody health and safety and traffic lights and all sorts of things in England.
Yeah. Yeah, here they've just got a man put his hand up. Stop a minute, we're picking that up. It's quite tight down here, isn't it?
Go past this street, then bear left onto Strandweg.
According to that, it's here somewhere.
Yeah.
Bear left onto Strandweg, then bear right onto Gossetstrasse.
I'm trying to look at places, and they're both going the same way at the moment. So.
Oh, the road's been shut.
Right.
Flipping heck.
Oh no, we must have to go this way because that one says it's a dead end.
Yeah. There you go. It even tells you what the temperature and what time it is.
Yeah.
And what the UV levels are. Cloudy.
Okay,
so yeah, this is the way in. We came down that way, got lost.
We did.
And it is literally one. We'll show you when we come back.
Yeah.
Rightio, this is the campsite. Reception's there. It's just starting to rain again, which is typical. So obviously a barrier. WCs, what have you. Yeah, and chemical toilets just on the end there. We got washing facilities there. So there's very little of anything here. It's just one line of vans either side of the road. So there's some more over there, but probably for tents. Look, and because the satellite you want over that way, and it don't pick it up when it's in front of a tree. Never mind, So that's pretty much it. That guy got satellite opposite us, look. But we're this side of the road and nothing. So it's not the best campsite in the world, but it's it does its job. It's close to Bern and happy. So so there you go. That's the campsite review. Not very much, I know, but
Yeah, we're back. So
we're back and it's raining. Bye.